what is the electric charge, dear students? Dear students, in ninth standard chemistry, that is a chapter name is a chemistry, not a physics, we discuss the atomic structure. In chemistry, one more chapter, one is a one of the important chapter, that is the atomic structure. Then we discuss the structure of atom. We are using that concept here. How? Let in a atom, if we discuss about the any atomic structure, dear students, we discuss a central part that is called a nucleus. A central part of the atom is called nucleus. Okay, that is a center part. After that, dear students, we discuss the some charge particle which is included in a nucleus. That is a some charges. Basically, that is a one charge is a positive and other charge, there is a no sign of other charge, mean, dear student, that is a neutral, means there is a no charge. That is the first time we discuss the charge and charge. After some time you will be familiar with this name. Okay students, now that is the two types of charges. First one is a positive charge at in nucleus, okay, and the second one is a no charge. Okay students, now after that we discuss the name of that charge, that is a proton, and positive charge is called the proton. Positive charge is called proton, and negative, sorry, that is a no charge, that is called neutron, and we can say that is a neutron, that is a neutron. Okay, and one more charge which is circulate in outer shell, that is called electrons. Everyone listening about the electrons, and that having a negative charge. So that is a basic atomic structure, dear students. Okay, what happen in an atomic structure? That is a electron which are moving in a outer cells. Okay, that is a outer cell, and center part, that is a nucleus. Dear student, if we focus the center part, then we understand that that nucleus has only one type of charge, that is a positive. So in future we says the nucleus of any atom is a positive charge. Nucleus is a positive charge, and outer cell, the which charges will be revolve, that is a electron. Okay, that is a atomic structure of a atom. Dear student, if we talk about some natural condition, that time in a natural condition, dear student, every and each atom has a equal amount of a positive charge and equal amount of negative charge. That time we can say atom has a neutral. Atom is a neutral, means that have a no charge. Okay students, please write that line on your topmost paper. Okay, in natural condition, atom has a equal amount of a positive charge and negative charge. That time we can say atom is a neutral. Okay, now we discuss the definition of a electric charge. What is the definition of a electric charge? We have a three particles, one is a proton, one is a electron, one is a proton. These are the some important particles, dear students, but electric charge defined as the some properties of that charge. Electric charge, which says the charge that is the property of that charges, that is the intrinsic properties, that has a self-dependent properties of fundamental particle. Which is a fundamental particle? We include only a that particle, electron and proton, not a neutron. That is a some fundamental particle. Due to this charges, dear students, it produce sometime electrical field, sometime magnetic field. Both are available in a single electrical field and a magnetic field. Okay students, now that is the basic definition of a electric charge. So what is the electrical charge, dear students? Electrical charge is a intrinsic property of a certain fundamental particle due to which is produced some electric and magnetic field. Okay, now we move the next point, that is a types of a electric charge. According to our structure of atom, that time we have a two types of charge, one is a positive and one is a negative charge, dear students. So we can say there are two types of charges. First one is a positive charge and second one is a negative charge. How we can say the body has a positive charge and how you can say that body has a negative charge? Dear students, we are saying that at normal condition, let's suppose that is a atom, it has a one positive and one negative, both are equal. that time we can say that is a neutral. That is a neutral means, dear students, no charge. Both are the same word. Sometimes you are listening about the neutral word, sometimes we use the no charge. Both are the same means at the atom has a equal amount of positive charge and equal amount of negative charge. That time we can say body has a no charge. Okay, now let's suppose, dear student, if we remove that negative part, then what happen in which is a maximum condition, which is a remaining part, that is a positive. So dear, what happen in that condition? In that condition, dear students, that is a deficiency of a electron. It means there is a some deficiency of electrons, that is a negative charge. Deficiency of a electron, that is becomes a positive charge. So we write here deficiency of electron, then body becomes a positive charge. And some excess of electron. Now here, if we mark one negative, then neutral. If we include one more negative, then what happen? That the effect of this positive will be cancelled out by the effect of that negative charge. So both are the cancel out the effect of each other, but one more is remaining. So what is the remaining? The negative part is a remaining. So we can say that is a excess of electron. Dear students, please focus on my words, is that every time we talk about the electrons, we are not talking about the protons, because the condition of a moving and the ability of a moving from one atom to another atom, only electron has that property. Electron will be moved from the one atom to another atom, but proton cannot be moved because proton available in a nucleus, and the breaking of a nucleus atom more difficult as compared to movement of a electron. So focus on that words. Okay, now, so there are two types of charges. First one is a positive charge and second one is a negative charge. How we can get the positive charge? By deficiency of electrons. And how we can get the electrons? Excess of electrons, we get the negative charge. So that is the basic types of a charge. That is two types of charge.